Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Drive Medical Transport Wheelchair. A couple features I liked about this wheelchair are the wheels are really nice and strong. They're very durable and thick, and they roll very nice and easy. The back of the wheelchair does have those handles that are equipped with the braking system, so all you have to do is just simply pull up on the handle. Now the wheelchair does provide those footrests, but if you don't need them, you can actually just go ahead and simply pull this little black lever here and lift the entire thing off, and they will detach just that easy. Now, if you lift up on these handles that are adjacent to the seat, you'll be able to fold up the chair. And now this wheelchair is ready for transport. It's nice and thin. And the last feature I found very helpful is it does also come with a lap belt strap. Overall, I think the Drive Medical Transport Wheelchair is a very high quality product, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.